So we are now in Hamburg. I'm standing in front of the Rathaus. This is the second Rathaus, constructed in 1886. We have a wonderful walking tour today, provided by Torben's Tours, aka Torben Bush Music.
Hello.
We also have the lovely Julia, who is from around here but has been living in Hamburg for about 4 years. Over here we have a wonderful war memorial from the First World War, 1914 to 1918. We have Oakley with us. He will be joining us for the day. So we have a very busy day today, a very tight schedule, 10 hours ahead of us, and we will be taking you along.
The fountain there, it's for air conditioning, so in the summertime they use it to cool down the whole world.
We are here at one of the churches in Hamburg. It was originally a wooden church built in 1195. This specific one here with the bricks was built in 1874. It was burned down with the fire that came through Hamburg, rebuilt. Then it was bombed in World War II. It was the tallest building in the world for about 2 years. Tallest tower here still stands after the bombing. And then where we are in this open area is also part of the church. Half of our Hamburg tour. We just stopped for coffee and cake, aka coffee und Kuchen. However, I didn't have cake. I had an Eierlikör Keks, which is a eggnog cookie, but here in Germany, their eggnog is alcoholic and it's not really like Canadian eggnog. Very delicious. It's a type of liqueur. You can drizzle it on top of your dessert. Obviously make cookies with it. Very delicious. Canada needs to get on that. And we had some coffee from Peru. Sehr lecker. Highly recommend. Oakley on tour in Hamburg. He injured his paw, scraped it somehow, and it was bleeding, so he gets carried around today. But he keeps on trying to escape. So we're currently in a tunnel going under the Elbe River. This was constructed in 1907. So we're also hoping it doesn't collapse on us. But it seems sturdy so far. Pretty sound, very busy, lots of people. This actually used to be a road for cars. There was a lift, an elevator for cars, so people could drive under the Elbe River. But early 2000s, they made it just for people. And little dogs. We're still in the tunnel, and we're about 60 meters underground. Don't worry, I'll convert that for my North American folks. Best tour guide ever. He has just ordered us a rainbow view. The wind and the rain with eating my Fischbrötchen. Sehr gut. But because I have Oakley in my jacket, it was nobody's standing, so hiding amongst the scarves. And the shop next door. Oh. Very good. Very delicious. Highly recommend. Look at that. Alrighty, so we are here about to climb 269 feet all the way to the top. 452 steps. How excited are you?
I'm very excited.
So excited. Best thing ever.
Wow. Just wow.
It's going to be so much fun.
Yeah, when we get up there. Alright, made it. Yeah, sehr schön. It's very beautiful up here. Hamburg is a very beautiful city. This was first constructed in 1886. Wait, but then the fire was in 1842?
That's the second town hall.
Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the second Rathaus. Torben is a local around here called a hamburger. He's a hamburger. How do you pronounce it?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. He's a hamburger. So this is now in the courtyard of the Rathaus. Rathaus is City Hall. Auf Deutsch. 888.
1195,
1195.
1874.
And fast forward 4 months, we are in Hamburg yet again, and I can confirm it's still windy. Got the wind expert with me, so he can also confirm that.
Confirmed.
So we just had some doner. We are having some Hamburg beer, looking at this beautiful view. But unfortunately, Aliyah is not with us. She is off having fun without us. So we're making the best of the situation that we can. Anyways, we hope that she's having the best of times that she can. Taylor Swift is in town in Hamburg here. Today it's her second concert.
Yes, she's actually staying in the hotel at the moment.
Oh yeah, so Taylor Swift is staying in that one?
Hotel Atlantic, I think. Oh no, 4 Jahreszeit.
Where?
4 Jahreszeit.
Okay. We are still considering if we're going to the parking lot or not to party it up with the people who can't afford tickets. We'll see. He has to work in the morning and I have a plane to catch, so thank you so much for watching my video. Better late than never. 4 months later. I hope you enjoyed. I do have some more videos that have filmed and I just have to edit them, put them together, then they'll show up sometime. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see those when they do show up. Subscribe, like, follow, all of that fun stuff.
The bell thing.
Hit the notification bell. I never do that. I never do that when I subscribe. I get enough notifications on my phone. But
Turn them off.
Yes. Hit the bell button, but then just turn off your notifications.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want. Would be nice. It's the thought that counts. A Liz and Torben special.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Prost.
Prost. Prost und Gesundheit. All right. See you later. Bye.
Bye bye.
Tschüss.
Cheers.